Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about 7th chapter. The chapter name is Fractions and Decimal. Chapter 7, Fractions and Decimals. Fractions and Decimals. Fractions and decimals. So what is the fraction first? Fraction. What is the fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole or of a group. Fraction is a part of a whole or of a group. Fraction is a part of a whole or of a group. For example, I take the shape. Which shape, children? It is a rectangle shape. Okay. It is a rectangle. I divide it into this rectangle two equal parts. Two equal parts. I shaded this part like this. So, how many parts are shaded in this rectangle? One part. Total, how many parts are there? Two parts. So, how many parts shaded? One part. Now, take fraction. So, what is the fraction of shaded part from this figure? So, how many parts shaded? One part. Total, how many parts? Two parts. Two equal parts, but we shaded one part. So, you write in fraction of this. So, it is a 1 by 2. So, this fraction is how much, children? 1 by 2. Which fraction means shaded part? Shaded part. So, 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, 1 is called numerator. Numerator. 2 is called denominator. Denominator. So, 1 by 2. So, 1 is called numerator. 2 is called denominator. Okay. For example, I take 1 by 3, 7 by 9, 10 by 15. 1 by 3, 7 by 9, 10 by 15. Here three fractions are there. First take 1 by 3. In 1 by 3, 1 is called numerator. N means numerator. So 3 is called denominator. D means what, children? Denominator. Now take 7 by 9. 7 by 9. So what is the numerator? 7 is the numerator. 9 is the denominator. 9 is the denominator. Now take 10 by 15. So 10 is called numerator. 15 is called denominator. 15 is called what, children? Denominator. Clear? So how many types are fractions? Now discussing about types of fractions. Now discussing about types of fractions. Types of fractions. Three types. How many types, children? Types of fractions? Three types. The first one, proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. The third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So what is the proper fraction and what is the improper fraction? What is the mixed fraction? So once I will explain to you one by one. First take proper fraction. Proper fraction. Listen. The fractional numbers having numerator is smaller than the denominator, so that type of fractions are called proper fraction. Once again, children, fractional numbers having numerator is less than the denominator, so that type of fractions are called proper fractions. Numerator is less than the denominator. Less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator, so it is called what, children? Proper fraction. Examples: 1 by 2, 7 by 9, 11 by 15, 10 by 20. 10 by 20. 1 by 2, 7 by 9, 11 by 15, 10 by 20. One structure 1 by 2. 1 is less than the 2. 1 is less than the 2. That means numerator is less than the denominator. In 7 by 9, numerator is less than the denominator. In 11 by 15, numerator is less than the denominator. In 10 by 20, numerator is less than the denominator. So these are examples of proper fraction. Once again, recall about proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? A fractional number having numerator is less than the denominator, so it is called what, children? Proper fraction. Now discussing about second type. What is that? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Fractional numbers having numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is called what, children? Improper fraction. Once again, the fractional number having numerator is greater than the denominator, so the type of fractions are called improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is called improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Examples: 7 by 2, 9 by 5, 11 by 6, 9 by 4, 10 by 5. 10 by 5. So many examples are there of improper fraction. 7 by 2, 9 by 5, 11 by 6, and 9 by 4, 10 by 5. One structure here, in 7 by 2, 7 greater than 2. In 9 by 2, in 9 by 5, 9 is greater than the 5. In 11 by 6, 11 is greater than the 6. 9 is greater than the 4. 10 is greater than the 5. So these are examples of improper fractions. Now discussing about mixed fraction. What is the third type, children? Mixed fraction. So what is the mixed fraction? Please read. The combination of whole part and improper fraction. So it is called mixed fraction. Once again, children, the combination of whole number or whole part and improper fraction. So it is called what, children? Mixed fraction. The combination of whole number or whole part and proper fraction. So it is called what, children? Mixed fraction. Once again, the combination of whole number and proper fraction. So it is called mixed fraction. Examples: 1 by 2, 7 1 by 7, 9 3 by 4. So it's 1 1 by 2. We read 1 1 by 2, 7 1 by 7, 9 3 by 4. So here 1, that is the whole number. 1 by 2 is a what children? Proper fraction. In 1 by 2, 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. So 1 less than the 2. Numerator is less than the 2. So the type of fractions are called what children? Proper fraction. So 1 1 by 2 is the example of mixed fraction. 7 1 by 7, 9 3 by 4 are examples of mixed fractions. Clear? Now fractional numbers on the number line. Representing the fractional numbers on the number line. How to represent the fractional numbers on the number line? So I will explain to you now. We'll listen it carefully from me. Represent the fractional numbers on the number line. Represent the fractional numbers on the number line. For example, I take 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it is a fraction. Which type of fraction, children? 1 less than the 2. That means numerator is less than the denominator. So this fraction is a proper fraction. So take number line. Already you've done in previous classes how to represent the whole numbers on the number line and how to represent the natural numbers on the number line. So 1 by 2. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So many numbers. So take 1 by 2. Which fraction, children? Proper fraction. So every proper fraction, it lies between 0 and 1. For example, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So it is there between 0 and 1. 1 by 2. For example, 0 by 2, 1 by 2, and 2 by 2. So 2 by 2. Numerator, denominator, both are equal. So it is equal to how much, children? 1. So 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. This fraction what, children? 1 by 2. So it is represent. It is represent. Clear? 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. It is equal to 1. So 0 by 2 what, children? 0. 0 by 2 it is what? 0. So it is represent on the number line. One more example I explain to you. 7 by 4. 7 by 4. How to represent this 7 by 4 on the number line? Once listen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so. So and so. So 7 by 4. Numerator here 7, denominator is 4. So numerator is greater than the denominator. This fraction is what, children? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, one second. 7, 4. 7 numerator, 4 is denominator. 4 in 7, how many times divisible? 3 times divisible. Sorry. 1 time divisible, sorry. 4. 7 minus 4. How much? 3. Now take quotient how much here? Quotient how much? 1. This is the the 1. So quotient here 1. What is the remainder? 3 by what is the divisor? 4. So quotient, you should take first quotient, after that you take remainder, after that you take what, children? Divisor. So 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4. Or decimal number. You convert it to decimal number. So 3, here point, you put 1 point, here keep 0. Here you put 1 point, here keep 0. How much here? 30. How much? 30. So 4 in 30, how many times do you bulb? 7 4 jar 28. Now 30 minus 28, how much? 2. Keep 0. 4, how many times do you bulb? 5 times 20. 20 minus 20. So 1.75. How much here? 1.75. 1.75 means it is there between 1 and 2. This 1.7 there between 1 and 2. So this 7 by 4 between 1 by 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Clear? This 7 by 4 there between 1 and 2. 7 by 4. Why? Because this 7 by 4 value, how much decimal value? 1.75. So 1.7 they between 1 and 2. Clear? Yes. Now discussing about exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. First problem. Out of these, which are proper fractional numbers? Out of these, which are proper fractional numbers? Once see children, this is your textbook. The first question. Which of these, which are proper fractional numbers? So here some problems are given. What is that? First one 3 by 2, the second one 2 by 5, third one 1 by 7, fourth one 8 by 3. Here first problem, which are out of these which are proper fractional number? Which are proper fractional number? Here first one 3 by 2. Second one 2 by 5. Third problem 1 by 7. Fourth 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Proper fractional numbers. Proper mean what? Numerator is less than the denominator. Take first one 3 by 2. 3 is greater than 2. So it's not a 3 by 2, not a proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. But what is here? Here asking what? Proper fraction. What about proper? Numerator is less than the denominator. So it's not a proper fraction. Next, second problem. Take 2 by 5. 2 less than 5. That means numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Now third problem. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 1 less than the 7. That means numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Now fourth one 8 by 3. 8 greater than the 3. That means numerator is greater than the denominator. So it's not a improper fraction. It's not improper fraction. This is the exercise 7.1 first bit. Now I am going to take second problems. That means which of these are improper fractional numbers? which of these are improper fractional numbers? Fractional numbers. First one, 2 by 7, 7 by 11, 9 by 11, 13 by 2, 7 by 3. 2 by 7, 7 by 11, 9 by 11, 13 by 2, 7 by 3. Which of these are improper fractional numbers? So what is the improper fractional numbers? Numerator is greater than the denominator. That type of fractions are called improper fraction. Now take 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 2 less than the 7. That means numerator is less than the 7. So it is a proper, but it's not a improper. But in this problem, we have to find the improper. Which fractions are improper fractions? So it's not a improper. It's not a improper fraction. Now second one, 7 by 11. These are the same. 7 less than the 11. That means numerator is less than the denominator. It's not improper. But which fraction this one? Proper fraction. It's not a improper. Now third problem. 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Yes, these are the same. 9 less than 11. That means numerator is less than the denominator. It's not a improper. It's not a improper. Now fourth problem. That is 13 by 2. 13 by 2. That means 13 greater than 2. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is a improper. It is a improper. Clear, children? Yes. Now I am going to take a third one. That is, pick out the mixed fractions from these. Third question, children. Pick out the mixed fractions from these. This is the third one. From these. Yes, first one. 3 by 5. Second one, 1, 2 by 7. Third problem, 7 by 2. 3 by 5, 1, 2 by 7, 7 by 2. So what is the mixed fraction? What is the mixed fraction? The combination of whole number and a proper fraction. That type of fractions are called mixed fractions. So 3 by 5, it's not a mixed fraction. It's not a mixed fraction. Now take 2 by 7. Yes, here 1 is whole number, 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Now 7 by 2. The third problem. This is first one, second one, third one. 7 by 2. Numerator, denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is a fraction, but it's not a mixed fraction. Not a mixed fraction. Clear? In this, second one, third one. Both are not a mixed fractions, but second one is a mixed fraction. Clear? Now fourth one, convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. So how to convert the improper fractions to mixed fractions? I will explain to you now. Already before I explained that how to convert the improper fractions to mixed fractions represent on the number line, that problems. On that time, I explained to you. Fourth one, convert the following improper fractions. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. So first problem, 7 by 3. Second one, 11 by 2. Third one, 9 by 4. Fourth one, 27 by 4. 27 by 4. So take 7 by 3. First problem, 7 by 3. So numerator, denominator. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. So take 7, 3. How many times do it go? 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Once observe here, this remainder is 1. This remainder is 1 less than the divisor. Less than the divisor. So now we take, first we should take quotient, after should take remainder, after should take what children? Denominator, sorry, divisor. Now take 2, quotient, remainder is 1, divisor is 3. So 7 by 3, mixed fraction is 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. This is the answer of first one. Now second problem, what is that? 11 by 2. So 11, 2. 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. 1 is less than 2. So it's finished. So the process means 5 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction of 11 by 2. Now going to take a third problem, that is 9 by 4. So 9 here, 4 here. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So answer 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Now fourth problem here, 27 by 4. So 27 here, 4 here. 6 4s are 24. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? 6 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4. That is the answer of fourth problem. Clear? 7 by 3, 2 1 by 3, 11 by 2, 5 1 by 2, 9 by 4, 2 1 by 4, 27 by 4, mixed fraction is 6, 3 by 4. That is the answer. Clear children? So 7.1 exercise 5th bit. Convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now mixed fractions convert into improper fractions. How to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions? Then wait. Fifth one, first bit. 1 2 by 7. 1 2 by 7 given. So it is a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction you should convert into improper fraction. So here you keep into, here keep plus. That means today 1 7 jar plus 2. 1 7 how much? 1 into 7 plus how much here numerator? 2 by what is the denominator? 7. What is the denominator? 7. This meaning one formula is there. Converting the mixed fractions into improper fraction, that means whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. One subject here. 1 is called whole number. 7 is called denominator. So here 2 is called numerator. That means whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Once again, children, whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Now to continue the process, 1 7 jar 7 plus 2 by 7. 7 plus 2 9 by 7. It is a improper fraction. Why it is called improper fraction? Means once observe numerator and denominator of this fraction, 9 is more than the 7. That means 9 is greater than the 7. Numerator is greater than the denominator. A fractional numbers having the numerator is greater than the denominator, that fractions are called what, children? Improper fractions. So now 9 by 7 is a improper fraction. Clear? Now I am going to take second problem from 5th grade in exercise 1. 3 2 by 8. Here keep into, here plus. So 3 into 8 plus 2 by 8. 3 8 jar 24 plus 2 by 8. So 24 plus 2, 26 by 8. One subject is here, numerator is 26, denominator is 8. That means numerator is greater than the denominator. So that is a improper fraction. Remaining third problem and fourth problem, you will take homework, you will do in homework book. Clear? Thank you, children.